how to fix GTA 5 entry point problem isn't quick, it's easy. First, just right click on GTA 5, then go to properties. After that, go to compatibility, then click change settings for all users, and then you will find it like that. Just click just enable first option, select Windows 7 and click OK and OK again. After that, open your antivirus, your Windows security, and once you're here you will find it like that. Once you're here, you'll find it like that. Wait, then click on virus threat protection, click manage settings, scroll down, and here we'll find exclusions. Click add or remove and click yes, and then just add here GTA 5, select file and add that. Here we'll find it, just add that and click open. And that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.